Here you have a Samsung S30. Can you see it right there? Samsung S30. To take the casing off to get to this, either the screen, to fix the screen, you have 7 screws. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but these might be connected just to the dock only. 6, 7, 8. Excuse me. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws. And once you take the casing off, then you could change your own screen. Let's do that now. And once you did that, even though I left the other 2 screws, I take them out anyway. I forgot if you need them, because if you actually could see this, I already took out one already. That's another Samsung I took out. I took the lens off of this one. So let me get this off. Take the batteries out and leave the door open, because the door catches the other side sometimes. And then you just start pulling. Yeah, start pulling. See how that opens up? Don't pull too hard, because you might break. This piece is kind of thin, so gotta maybe start on this end. There we go. And we open it. See? And this is how you take the screen out. You have the screen here, and you have one piece right here that's connecting it. You flip that up, and the screen come out. There you go. Flip that up, and the screen easily comes out like this. You just pull on it. And it might be another piece connecting, like that green piece right there. Basically, you just peel that off. And that's how you replace your screen if it's broken. That easy, that simple. And then put it back on. Yeah, move that back. Yeah, stick it on there. And you close the clamp. And make sure I got it all the way down. And to put the batteries in just to test it. Turn the power button on. Well, I forgot that the lens on this one is broken. So to put the case back on, you do the same. Easily just close it. And it snaps back on in place. But if you like to take the other side of the case off, you have a screw here. You have a screw down here. And that should be it, just to take the other case off. Let me do that now. Let me grab this screw.